Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz, and today we will discuss that how to open an AutoCAD file and the initial settings of an AutoCAD file, and how to save that file in your system. So I would go to icon and click it and wait for several seconds, so it will open our file. After that, you will go to acad.dwt for opening your file in AutoCAD 2022 version. When your file had been opened, this is basically the user interface of your AutoCAD file. When you open a file, then this will be the interface of your file. So first of all, I have to go to this panel. This is the model layer in which you will work. This one is the layout. When you have done your work and you have to publish it for the purpose of discussion to your senior or to another person, then you will go to this tab, and this one is the second tab, and this plus sign will show you that how to open a new layout. And after that we will go to model, and first setting that I will do personally when opening a file, I will off grid. This one is the grid pattern. So when you click it, it will automatically be closed. Then after that you have to write UN for the purpose of units, then enter. Then this will automatically be generated when you write it, and then press enter. In type selection, we have to select architecture. In precision, we have to select 0 feet 0 inches, and then OK. Then type D for the purpose of dimension style, and then enter, and then go to modify. And in this panel we have to set three properties. First we will go to symbols and arrows, and arrowheads will be selected as architectural take, and ladder will be selected as an architectural take also, and arrow size should be 8 inches. And then go to text tab, change text height to 8 inches, and then go to primary units, and unit format will be selected as architectural, and precision will be given as 0 feet 0 inches, and then press OK and set current and close, and then type LA for layers. This will be the default layer given to you by your AutoCAD drawing, and you have to for purpose of your appearance, you have to open a new layer. You have to name it. I would name it boundary, and I would change the color to red. OK. Then line type. This will be automatically given to you as solid line, and if you want to change it, then go to load, and these are all the line types that will be given by AutoCAD to you. But I personally would go with solid line, then I would cancel it, and then OK. And this is the line weight. These are all the line weights that will be given to you by AutoCAD, and I would personally go with default, then OK, and close this tab. For saving your file, you have to go to this icon AutoCAD icon A, then click here and save as, and it will automatically generate your file name. It will automatically generate this panel, and file name should be given by you, and I would go with boundary dash 2 and file of type. These are the various versions of AutoCAD, and I would you can save your file into 13 version, to 10 version, 2010 version, 2013 version, or 2018 version. I would go with 2018 version, and then boundary to DW, and then simply press save. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you, and kindly subscribe my channel.